It is a beautiful, sunny, and warm day for mid-January here. 14 degrees Celsius, 58 degrees Fahrenheit. It's a lovely day, and on a day like this, it actually gives us an opportunity to wash our microgreen flats. It's something that we can't really do in the dead of winter. Well, mind you, we could wash them in our greenhouse if we wanted to. The problem is because we're using a power wash, it kicks up so much humidity in the room that it can really affect our growing and bring on more fungus. So we have a lot of microgreen flats, like we have probably 800 of them. So this way we can grow and stack them up and then wait for an opportunity to wash them and then wash them when that day comes. So today is that day. I'm going to show you guys what Mark is doing here. Now the reason we need to wash our microgreen flats is that residual root matter gets stuck on the flat, and over time, the problem with that for us is that will build up fungus and the flats will harbor bacteria, thus potentially compromising our crops. What Mark is doing right now is he's using a power washer, and he has set up a little bit of a jig. So he's got a pile of flats to be washed that is with a crate, and then he's got a little concrete paver that he props a flat up. And so with very minimal movement, he can take one flat down, power wash one side of it, flip it over, power wash the other side, and then he takes that flat and it goes onto our drying screen for it to dry. We'll let those sit for a little while and then we'll stack them, and then later we will sterilize them. And so they'll go into a bath of a cup of bleach to maybe 5 liters of water, and then that will kill off any bacteria so that we can reuse these flats again without any worry of fungus getting in our microgreens. So that's how we wash our flats. I hope you guys found that helpful. If you want to see more stuff like this, hit the subscribe button right now, like and share the videos with your friends. Thanks guys, we'll talk to you later.